Shabarankin, shabarankin. Whoa. Am I a lioness? The roar. Hey guys. Alright. How do I look? Do I look colorful? Do I look playful? Do I look cheery? Do I look big-headed? Because my entire hair is taking up the whole screen, I feel like. Anyway, I created this look using both the Aftershock palette and the After Dark palette. I wanted to go all colorful on the tops of my lids and then a little bit more smoky at the bottom. It's not really what it turned out, what I intended it to turn out to be. But this will suffice. Alright, so if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to take Electronica and I'm going to pat that in the crease. I'm grabbing my blending brush. I'm going to just go ahead and grab some more and just blend that all out. Over on this side, I also realized when I used the Plur in the crease, it didn't stick, so I'm going to try to make it stick while the concealer is there, just to see if that would work. So I'm grabbing my bullet brush and I'm going to add Plur to the outer crease just to see if that made a difference. Okay, that can just chill right there. We'll be back to that later. Going back into Electronica and blending that out. Now I'm going to place Chaser. And just go back and forth between Electronica and Chaser until you get the intensity that you want. Now we're gonna pack Sensation on the outer crease. Using the bullet brush, we're just gonna go ahead and blend Plur out. Then going in with more of Sensation. Okay, let's dabble into Surge and place that in the crease. Now take up Electronica and blend that top edge out. Now I'm getting this Luxie 237 brush, which is a smaller blending brush. I'm grabbing some of Surge and I'm going to work on that outer edge. Dipping back into Chaser, we're just gonna blend that inner corner. Back in with our blending brush and we're gonna grab Electronica. Now I can tell, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this side has grabbed more and it's showing up more pigmented than this side over here, which is initially why I decided to just go in with a wing liner, because out here was looking splotchy, but I just put it onto the concealer over here and it grabbed more and it blended out nicely. I like this side, the corner, better than this side. Anyway, we're just gonna move on. Grabbing our Adrienne concealer, we're gonna do a half cut crease. Grabbing the After Dark palette, I'm gonna go into 24 Karat. So now that we're done with that shadow, let's jump back into the Aftershock palette and I'm gonna be using BPM. And let's just grab some more of 24 Karat on the other side of the brush just to blend those two together. Eyeliner time. Alright, so I'm gonna be using the NYX Vivid Brights for that yellow liner right there. Never mind the little boo-boo I made here. I tried to cover it up, but I can't. Okay, and then for the wing I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and this one is in Electric Purple Violet. No, Electric Purple. This one, the yellow one, is in Vivid Halo. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that one. feel like I can't steady my hands properly, man. So I don't know what happened, but on this eye, as the liner was drying, it started cracking up, but this eye didn't do that. So I don't know what happened. Let's use this one. I didn't really like it. The formula is weird. It doesn't dry down, and it's just but I used it over here, so I'm gonna use it here. Is this like a gel liner or something? It has this jelly consistency that I don't like. See, it's this gel kind of formula that doesn't really dry down as you're dragging the shade, the liquid across your eyes to make that wing. It leaves like streaks, and I just don't. I'm not a fan of that. I'm gonna go into light show. I'm gonna stop where I've reached the purple, and now I'm gonna go into BPM. Alright, let me just jump off camera, get my lashes on, mascara, and we'll speed through the face and then jump to the bottom lashes. Snatched. Okay, y'all already know blush is gonna be Note. Let's dust off the nose. I think for the under eyes, I'm just gonna go smoky just to see how that would look instead of bringing in colors onto the under eye. Let's use Merlot. Let's smoke that out with Rosy Glow. Rosy Glow. Let's use Crush on Me. Okay, so I just went in with, stamped a little bit more of Merlot under after I smoked it out with Crush on Me, and that made it a little bit more amplified, I think, in my opinion. So let's just go ahead and set the face. I'm gonna use the Trailblazer from the Pure Sculptor palette. For the bridge of the nose, I'm liking it's not as intense as the other highlights, so you know, like in person you would be like, whoa, where are you going with all that highlight on your nose? It looks a little bit more subtle, so I'm going to use this one. Do you see how subtle that is? That's perfect in my opinion. And even for your Cupid's bow, my friend saw my picture the other day and she's like, so what's that on the top of your lip? Is that like a new trend? Some milk? What's that? A mustache? The white mustache. So I'm gonna tone it down. I think that looks much more subtle. And no, Kristen, it's not a white mustache. It's supposed to be highlight, you know? I'm glowing. How about we use gloss today? Because to be honest, guys, like as I said, I wouldn't wear these colorful makeup, this colorful look on the road, like out. It's just not me. But even if I was going to, I don't think I would do a colorful lip. Hold on the eyes, I'm going neutral on the lips. So let's just put the Noyah liquid lip gloss in Malbec on and see how that would look. Okay, this is the finished look, and I actually like how this look with the soft gloss. Even though it have a little bit of tint to it, that's fine because you can see through and see my lip shade. It's not as boom bright in your face as the other. I have another video coming up which is teal. It's a teal shade using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And that's what I wanted to mention to you guys. Like, I didn't like how it came up because of the lines that I used, the liner that I used, and I used the infallible paint. I didn't mention it in the other video. This is why I'm mentioning it in this one. So I used the infallible, with L'Oreal Infallible Liquid Paints, and this is more of not graphics as how you're seeing I did it in this, did the little liner thing in this video. It's more of like I'm thinking just to wing out, because it didn't have that flexibility. It made the lines a little bit thick, and I wasn't digging how the lines were thick in the video. But nonetheless, I'm gonna upload it so you guys can see what it looks like. I much prefer the NYX Vivid Bright pencils, Vivid Bright liquids. It has a brush, it's more flimsy, that you can do your graphic arts with. It's better for that. Definitely didn't like the consistency of this one, and I didn't like the brush because it's more felt tip. I feel like that's why it gave problems as well, as opposed to the Vivid Bright, which has a brush application. You know, it's more wispy to do whatever you want to do. Anyway, that about covers it, guys. I'll see you in another video. Bye, guys.